I love to make my pasta this way. It is kids friendly. My little ones can easily eat it without complaining. It's too long. In a hot oil, fry onion and then add fresh tomato and bell pepper or tatachi. I blended my own already. You can add blended ones or you can cut with knife. Cook until the tomato is cooked into sauce. Add water, ingredients, which I'm going to leave in the description box. Add a little bit of everything. I don't have a particular measurement. It depends on the size of pasta that you're cooking. I just made little pasta. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. And then in another pot, bring the water to boil. Cut the pasta into manageable sizes. Boil and then leave the pot open while you're boiling it. You can add little salt. Turn every 2 to 3 minutes to avoid burning. And once that is done, add into the tomato sauce. But then you must have cooked the tomato sauce for like 10 minutes and then try to adjust the ingredients, the salt, pepper, and other herbs that you want. Though I have some of them, the ones I use, you can use that one too. So adjust them and make sure that they are up to your taste, how you want it, and then add the pasta and cook in a low heat, and make sure you turn it like every 2 to 3 minutes to make sure that it's not burning. And another thing I want you to know that pasta does not take time to cook. So when you're adding the initial water, don't add too much. Just add small and then adjust as you cook. Once the pasta is like 95% done, you can add vegetable of your choice. I added spring onion, and that's it. And now that we are done, enjoy your meal. Remember to like this video. Thank you for stopping by, and feel free to visit my page or my channel to see what I have. And have a wonderful day until I see you next time. Thank you. Bye.